እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለትምናው የ11ኛ ክፍል የኬሚስትሪ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 5 እና ዩኒት 5 ኬሚካል ኢኩሊብሪየም ይላል። ይሄን ኬሚካል ኢኩሊብሪየም የሚለው በአጠቃላይ 90 ጥያቄዎች አዘጋጅተናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ ለዛሬ ፓርት 1 እናያለን። ኬሚስትሪ ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚህ ያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን ባዮሎጂን ጨምሮ ማለት ነው። እዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኑ። የዚህ ቶፒክ ዋናው ዓላማ ምንድነው? ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት የሚያግዙ ጥያቄዎችን ማዘጋጀትና ለእናንተ ማቅረብ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎች እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ የተዘጋጁ 90 ጥያቄዎች ለክፍላችሁ የፈተና ዝግጅት እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም በቂ ዝግጅት እንድታደርጉ ያግዟችኋል። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎችና ሌሎችንም በርካታ የሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን ጨምሮ የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄን አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም ደግሞ በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ለአሁኑ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። Number 1, which of the following statement best describe irreversible reaction? A reaction that reaches equilibrium. B, a reaction where reactants convert completely into products with negligible reactant remaining. C, a reaction that can proceed in both forward and reverse directions. D, a reaction that occurs in a closed system. B, irreversible ሲባል ምንድነው? A reaction where reactants convert completely into products with negligible reactants remaining ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so irreversible reactions proceed to completion meaning reactants are completely converted into products with little or no reactants left after the reaction ማለት ነው። ምንም ከሪአክሽን በኋላ ሪአክታንት ሊኖር አይችልም ወይም ደግሞ completely ወደ ሪአክሽን የሚቀየር ነው ማለት ነው። Number 2, which of the following represents the reversible reaction? A, carbon reacts with oxygen, carbon dioxide. B, sodium chloride converted into sodium ion እና chloride ion ሲቀየር ማለት ነው። C, hydrogen reacts with iodine, it gives to hydroxide ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ሁለት ምኖች አሉ ቀስቶች አሉ ማለት ፎርወርድ እና ባክዋርድ። D, CH4 reacts with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide and water. Okay, number 2 C ነው። C, reversible reactions are represented with the double arrow. ስለዚህ እቺኛዋ double arrow ያለው በአጠቃላይ ምንድነው reversible ነው ማለት ነው። ወደ ኋላ መመለስ ይችላል። ኦኬ indicating that both forward and reverse reactions can occur ማለት ነው። 3, what is the main characteristic of a reaction at equilibrium? A, the concentration of reactants and products is equal. B, the reaction stops completely. C, the reaction only proceeds in the forward direction. D, the rates of forward and reverse reactions are equal. Okay, D, rates of forward and reverse reactions are equal. equal ሲሆን ምን ይባላል? reactions at equilibrium እንላለን ማለት ነው። 4, which of the following conditions must be met for a system to reach equilibrium? A, the reaction must be reversible. B, the reaction must occur in an open system. C, the system must close to prevent loss of reactants and products. D, the forward reaction rates must always be greater than the reverse reaction rate. C, a system must be closed to prevent loss of reactants and products ማለት ነው። ይሄ ኮንዲሽን ነው አንድ ኮንዲሽን ነው at equilibrium reach እንዲያደርግ ማለት ነው። Number 5, in a reversible reaction what happens as equilibrium is approached? A, the forward reaction rate increases while the reverse reaction rate decreases. B, the forward reaction rate decreases while the reverse reaction rate increases. C. Both reaction rates decrease to 0. D. The concentration of reactants continuously increases. Okay, B. The forward reaction rate decreases while the reverse reaction rate increases ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄ ኢኩሊብሪየም አፕሮች እያደረገ በሚሄድበት ሰዓት ሪቨርሲብል ሪአክሽን የሚሆነው ምንድነው? Initially the forward reaction is dominant ማለት ነው። But as the product accumulates the reverse reaction increases until both rates become equal at equilibrium ማለት ነው። 6. Which of the following correctly describe dynamic equilibrium? A. Reaction has stopped. B. Reactants are completely converted to products. C. The forward and reverse reaction continue but at equal rates. D. The concentration of reactants increases. Okay, C. The forward and reverse reactions continue but at equal rates ማለት ነው። Okay. Number 7. In the reaction, nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, it gives ammonia ማለት ነው. What happens when more ammonia is added to the system at equilibrium? A. The reaction shifts to left, producing more nitrogen and hydrogen. B. The reaction shifts to right and producing more ammonia. C. The equilibrium remains unaffected. D. The reaction rate increases infinitely or indefinitely ማለት ነው። Okay, the reaction shifts to left and producing more nitrogen and hydrogen ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, so according to the Chatler's principle የሚባለው adding more products ወይም ደግሞ adding more ammonia shifts to the equilibrium to left to consume the excess ammonia from more reactants ማለት ነው። Okay, number 8. If the equilibrium reaction hydrogen reacts to the iodine, it gives hydrogen iodide, is distributed by the removing some HI, how will the system respond? A. The equilibrium will shift to the right to produce more HI. B. The equilibrium will shift to the left, decreasing the concentration of the HI further. C. The equilibrium will remain unchanged. D. The rate of the reverse reaction will increase permanently. Okay, the equilibrium will shift to the right to produce more HI ማለት ነው። Okay, ወደ ሌፍት ነው shift የሚያደርገው ማለት ነው። Okay. 9. Which statement is true about a system at equilibrium? A. The reaction has stopped. B. The concentrations of reactants and products remain constant over time. C. The forward reaction rate is 0. D. The system can only exist at a fixed temperature. Okay, B. The concentrations of reactants and products remain constant over time. Okay. 10. A reaction reaches equilibrium when A. The amount of reactants and products are equal. B. The reaction stops completely. C. Forward and reverse reaction rates become equal. D. The system is an open container. Okay, C. The forward and reverse reactions rates become equal ማለት ነው። Okay, equilibrium is attained when both reactions proceed at equal rates, ensuring constant concentrations ሲኖር ማለት ነው። 11. What happens to the rates of the reverse reaction as the forward reaction progresses? A. It remains constant. B. It decreases. C. It increases. D. It stops completely. We see it increases. Okay. As products are formed, the reverse reactions begin to occur more frequently, increasing its rates. 12. which of the following will not disturb equilibrium? A. Adding more reactants. B. Increasing temperature in an exothermic reaction. C. Removing a product. D. Keeping the system in a closed container. Okay, D. Keeping the system in a closed container. Okay, equilibrium requires a closed system. Maintaining it does not disturb the reaction. 13. What happens when the concentration of a reactant is increased in a reversible reaction at equilibrium? A. The equilibrium shifts to the left. B. The equilibrium shifts to the right. C. The reaction rates remain unchanged. D. The system produces less products. Okay, B. The equilibrium shifts to the right. Okay, adding a reactant shifts to equilibrium right, increasing the product formation ማለት ነው። ወደ ሌፍት ነው ሽፍት የሚያደርግ ምንድነው ሞር ሪያክታንት አድ ባደረግን ቁጥር ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 14 which of the following is not a characteristic of chemical equilibrium? A. The reaction occurs in a closed system. B. The concentrations of reactants and products remain constant. C. The forward and reverse reactions continue at equal rates. D. The reaction stops completely. D. Reaction stops completely. Okay. Equilibrium is dynamic, meaning the reaction continues, but there is no net change in concentration. Okay. 15. Why must a reaction be in a closed system to establish equilibrium? A. To allow more reactants to enter the reaction. B. To prevent the escape of reactants or products, ensuring balance. C. To stop the reaction from occurring. D. To allow unlimited product formation. B. To prevent the escape of reactants or products, ensuring balance ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ለዛ ነው ይሄ ክሎዝድ ሲስተም የሚያስፈልገው ማለት ነው። 16 which of the following statement is correct regarding the law of mass action? A. It states that rate of reaction is independent of reactant concentration. B. It states that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the sum of the reactant concentrations. C. It states that the equilibrium constant is equal to the sum of the forward and reverse rates constants. D. It states that the rates of a chemical reaction is proportional to the product of the molar concentrations of reactants, each raised to the power of the coefficient in the balanced chemical equation. Okay, D. It states that the rate of the chemical reaction is proportional to product of the molar concentrations of the reactants, each raised to the power of the its coefficient in the balanced chemical equation ይሆናል ማለት ነው። This is the correct answer for the mass action ስንል ማለት ነው። law of mass action. Okay, number 7, consider the reaction nitrogen dioxide gives to the N2O4 ማለት ነው. What is the correct equilibrium expression for Kc? Okay, የኬሲ ስንል የትኛው ነው? በዚህኛው ፎርዋርድ እና ባክዋርድ ወይም ደግሞ ሪቨርሰብል ሪአክሽን የምንለው ማለት ነው ይሄኛው። Okay, A. Kc is equals to NO2 square over N2O4. B. Kc is equals to N2O4 over NO2 square. C. Kc is equals to N2O4 square over NO2. D. Kc is equals to N2O4 over 2NO2. Okay, B ምንድነው የሚሆን? ይሄኛው N2O4 over NO2 square ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ this is the correct equilibrium expression for the Kc ማለት ነው። so the equilibrium constant expression equilibrium constant የምንለው ማለት ነው expression is written as the concentration of the products divided by the concentration of the reactants አይደለ formula each raised the respective stoichiometric coefficient የምንለው stoichiometric coefficient የምንለው ይሆናል ማለት ነው 18 if the equilibrium constant for the reaction is very large that means K is much greater than 1 what does it indicate A the reaction strongly favors reactants at equilibrium B the reaction strongly favors products at equilibrium C the reaction is very slow D the reaction does not reach equilibrium okay B the reaction strongly favors products ማለት ነው okay at equilibrium ስለዚህ much greater ይሄኛው ሲሆን it favors to the products ማለት ነው okay a large equilibrium constant means the concentration of the product is much higher than reactants at equilibrium ማለት ነው it favors the forward reaction ማለት ነው 19 if the equilibrium constant for a reaction is very small that means Kc is much less than 1 what does it indicate A the reaction strongly favors reactants at equilibrium B the reaction strongly favors products at equilibrium C reaction proceeds to completion D the reaction does not follow the law of mass action okay A the reaction strongly favors to reactants at equilibrium ማለት ነው ይሄኛው ሲሆን ደግሞ ለሪአክታንት ፌቨር ያደርጋል ማለት ነው okay so a small equilibrium constant means the concentration of the reactant is much higher than products at equilibrium it favors a reverse reaction ማለት ነው 20 given the reaction nitrogen react with hydrogen it gives the reversible in the reversible reaction ammonia ማለት ነው what's the correct expression of Kp A Kp is equals to P the power of 2 ammonia over Pn P3 hydrogen B Kp is equals to P ammonia over Pn PH2 C Kp is equals to Pn PH2 D Kp is equals to P NH3 P square N2 P the power of 3 H2 okay A Kp it gives P the power of 2 ammonia over Pn2 P3 H2 ማለት ነው okay the equilibrium expression of Kp follows the general form of the law of the mass action የሚባለውን ማለት ነው for gaseous reactions ወይም ለጋዝ ያለ reaction የአጠቃላይ general formula of mass action የሚከተል ነው ማለት ነው ፎርሙላ 20 how does the increase in temperature affect exothermic reaction at equilibrium A shift equilibrium to right B shift equilibrium to left C does not affect equilibrium D decrease the rate of the forward reaction B shift equilibrium to left okay increasing temperature in an exothermic reaction favors the reverse reaction ማለት ነው ይሄ የሊ ቻትለርስ ፕሪንሲፕል የምንለው 22 the equilibrium constant for a reaction is found to be 4.5 at 300 K if the reaction is reversed what's the new equilibrium constant A 4.5 B 2.25 C 0.22 D 1/4.5 Okay, D 1 over 4.5 ማለት ነው። Okay, when a reaction is reversed, any equilibrium constant is the reciprocal of the original constant ማለት ነው። የኦሪጂናል ኮንስታንቱ ይሄ ነው። then reverse ሲሆን reciprocal ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 23 what is the unit of Kc for the reaction? This NO react with oxygen, it gives NO2 A M B M the power of negative 1 C no unit D M the power of minus 2. Okay, B M the power of negative 1. Okay, ይሄኛው Kc ስንል ማለት ነው the equilibrium constant unit derived based on the stoichiometry of the reaction የምንለው ማለት ነው። so Kc is equals to ምንድነው የምናደርገው NO2 የኛው ማለት ነው NO2 over የNO2 ስኩዌር ኦቨር NO ስኩዌር የኛው NO ስኩዌር ታይምስ O ማለት ነው። ይሄን ስናደርግ ምን ይሆናል M ስኩዌር ኦቨር M ስኩዌር ታይምስ M ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄ M ስኩዌር ኦቨር M ኪዩብ ይሆንና M ስኩዌር ኦቨር M ኪዩብ ይሄ ማለት ደግሞ ማለት ነው ይሄኛው B ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 24 what happens to Kp when the pressure is increased for the reaction? N2 react with H2, it gives NH3. A increase, B decrease, C remain the same, D becomes 0. Okay, C remains the same. Okay, remains the same. Kp is independent of pressure. It depends only the temperature. 25 which of the following changes will increase the value of Kc for endothermic reaction? A increasing temperature pressure, B increasing temperature, C decreasing temperature, D adding a catalyst. Okay, B increasing temperature. Okay, for endothermic reactions increasing temperature shifts equilibrium to the right, that means increasing Kc ማለት ነው። 26 for a reaction where N is 0, same moles of reactant and products, what is the relationship between Kc and Kp? A Kc is equals to Kp, B Kp is equals to Kc times RT, C Kp is equals to Kc over RT, D Kp is equals to Kc the power of RT. A Kc is equals to Kp ማለት ነው። ኦኬ when N is 0, the gas phase equilibrium constant Kc and Kp are equal ማለት ነው። 27 what is the correct expression of Kp in terms of Kc and R? A Kp is equals to Kc times RT the power of N, B Kp is equals to Kc over RT the power of N, C Kp is equals to Kc plus RT, D Kp is equals to Kc minus RT. A Kp is equals to Kc RT over the power of N ማለት ነው when the N is change in the moles of the gas ማለት ነው። 28 which of the following does not affect the value of the equilibrium constant? A temperature, B pressure, C catalyst, D none of the above. C catalyst. Okay, the catalyst speeds up both forward and reverse reactions equally without changing the equilibrium constant ማለት ነው። 29 what is the correct Kc expression for the reaction BPR3 reacts with chlorine, it gives PCl3 plus bromine. A Kc is equals to Pc the power of 2 and Br the power of 3 over PBr the power of 2 chlorine. B Kc is equals to PCl3 bromine the power of 3. C Kc is equals to PCl3 Br2 over PBr3 chlorine. D Kc is equals to PBr the power of 2 Cl2 over PCl2 the power of 2 bromine the power of 3. A Kc is equals to ምንድነው የሚሆነው PCl3 the power of 2 times ማለት ነው ይሄኛው bromine 2 bromine the power of 3 ማለት ነው over PBr the power of 2 over Cl ማለት ነው 30 ይሄኛው 30 የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ነው what happens to Kc when the temperature of the exothermic reaction is decreased. A depends on pressure, B decreases, C remains the same, D increases. D increases. Okay, lowering temperature favors exothermic reactions, shifting the equilibrium rights and increasing Kc ማለት ነው okay ስለዚህ ለዛሬ ያዘጋጀናቸው ጥያቄዎች ፓርት 1 ይሄን ይመስላል ስለዚህ ፓርት 1ን በዚሁ ጨርሰናል እስካሁን ባሉት ጥያቄዎችና ሌሎች አስተያየቶችም ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ የተወሰነ ያክል ያግዛችኋል ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለክፍላችሁ ፈተና ፓርት 2ን በሚቀጥለው ይዘን እንቀርባለን ይሄንን ዩኒት ከጨረስን በኋላ ሌሎች የሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን በርካታ ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን እንሰራለን ለየክፍላችሁ ፈተና እንዲሁም ደግሞ ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም የሚያግዙ እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች እና ሌሎችንም በርካታ ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን ከነ መልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል ይሄንን መጽሐፍ በፒዲኤፍ ወይም በሶፍት ኮፒ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ ኮንታክት አድርጉን ይሄን የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ሰብስክራይብ ካላረጋችሁና ቤተሰብ ካልሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ